All right, guys, 2024 Mustang GT. It's only got like 200 miles on the dash. This is before, so it's still stock. Sound decibels. 94, 95-ish. 96. All right, guys, got 2024 Mustang GT. It's got 200 miles on the dash. Factory converters there, factory converter there. And then we noticed earlier, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the headers on these things are like smushed. They look really weird. I ain't never seen nothing like it. It's very strange. Because then up there, flex pipe, and that's where the resonator started after these clamps. So left the clamps on in case they wanted to take it off, change the system out or something else to a bolt-on kit. Filled it with 2.5, back into the rest of the 2.5 system, and then out the stock mufflers on the rear, right there and right there. So it looks like when nothing done to it. So it don't like anything was done to it, still looks factory. So we'll let you guys hear it. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
2024 Ford Mustang GT50. Look at this beast. He's getting new wheels done, everything, man. It's so nice. I like the new front grille on these. So we did this. Look at that. You see that? Look, 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 look. Look at it. What did you look at this? Look at this. What is going on here? X-pipe, crazy X-pipe. Look at this thing. We had to fab it here to make it fit because it's part of a kit. You're supposed to get the whole kit to make it fit, but he just wanted to take it off and put it instead of the resonator and add some sleeves on it to make it fit, which is not a bad thing. Still got factory converter mufflers there. There's the Switchfire X-pipe upgrade. Crazy contraption. It's supposed to make this thing sound like really crazy sound and make it crazy sound. So, crazy. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And here's the part number again on it. 60715. There'll be a link in the description for it. Other than that, it's still got the factory mufflers out the back, factory pipe, and the resonator is over there. Just hanging out right there. Where it needs to be. On the ground, not on the car. Stay tuned, guys.
2024 Mustang 5.0, brand new. They've redone the interior a little bit too. Kind of threw me off. They went all digital. I'll show you guys here shortly. Anyways, factory converters there. Goes out, strudled. Add the factory resonator there. We took it out, put an X pipe in its place, true flow X pipe. Ran it all the way out there. And then we did Outlaws in the rear, right there and right there. Part number 815425. 2.5 in and out. And then we reused the factory tips on it right there and right there. So we didn't do anything to it. There's the one of the old mufflers there, the mid resonator. So I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Sound decibels. 106. Still nice and clean.
See, I keep telling them to stop, guys. They won't stop. Stop! They're not listening. Anyways, go ahead. I'm losing it, guys. Definitely got more tone now. Brand new Mustang. Again. This sounds good. Mustang Switchfire X5 by your Borla. He's going to get a different valence or diffuser and then bring it back because he's got an axle back that goes on this thing. We'll show it to you guys in a second. I like the white on black. It looks good. Look at the blue Brembo brakes. I like that. It's crazy. It's different. Mustang GT50. Let you guys hear on the inside.
X-Pipe, Outlaws. That's good. Sound decibels. 112. Yeah, 112 a second ago. Let you guys hear it on the inside. 2024 Mustang GT, Resonator Delete X-Pipe.
Well, I'm happy they let the exhaust the same as the older ones. So we're familiar with it now. They didn't change much on it at all, exhaust-wise. Wow, that sucker's quick, beast mode. Enjoy 2024 Mustang.
2024 Mustang GT50. X-Pipe in the mid, Outlaws in the rear, stock tips.